What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are covering Florida goats in this video and we will cover up all of these aspects. Is it legitimate or scam, or are they doing any unethical work? So we're just gonna cover all the aspects from ordering their product legitimacy, and even if they are delivering what they are committing to deliver. So let's go through it. As you guys can see that they're basically related to the wet equipments, obviously for the dogs apparel, dog beds, dog jackets, and in the Florida, the people do have a lot of pets in their home, and they try to get as bad accessory for them as they can. And whenever they search something up over in the Google, in the top three searches, somehow they get floridagoats.com suggestion by the Google. Obviously, because of the advertisement functionality and how the PPC works. So this is all the advertisement, and they are the paid advertisement. Obviously, nobody is referring them without getting paid. So when I go through the internet and I've read some of the reviews over the internet about it, I came to know that it's a total scam and people are not getting what they wanted, and they are not even delivering what they're committing to deliver. So would suggest you guys to stay away from it. Now I'm just gonna read some of the reviews over the internet to tell you guys that it is knowledge made by the real users who have actually purchased from them. So this is a review from January 16th, where you guys can see that this person says that if I could rate it 0, I definitely would it. It is obviously a scam company after waiting 2 months on the product, getting exposed tracking information that ultimately said it was delivered after going to check at the post office, checking and calling phone and numbers and sending emails after emails. I finally found these other reviews, which I had seen them before. I lost my money, do not trust them, you will lose your hand, earn money. And shortly after I submitted my order, my debit card was freely used to order items on eBay for more than 2600. I can't say for sure if it was the company, but it sure seems suspicious. My bank and the police are dealing with it now. So I would suggest you guys to keep as away as you guys can, but just don't invest any sort of money without going through our videos on the YouTube, because we just tell you the honest opinion, and we don't want you guys to just get scammed on your hard-earned money over the some internet shit. So this is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care.